Hi everyone! So today I will be sharing with you guys a thrift flip. I went thrifting today and I found these 3 items. So I've been on the hunt for a base like this for a while. I've been looking for one in plain terracotta. I've been having trouble finding one, and when I found this today, I thought I could paint it. So we'll see how it turns out. This at Hobby Lobby. It's called dry clay and it's a matte finish. But I'm gonna mix it with this other color that's called territorial beige, and it is also a matte finish. And I did sand a bit on the top to see if the color would come off, since this looks like it was painted and not necessarily glazed, so it's easy to, well, not too easy, but it's a bit easier to take off than if it were glazed. So let's see how it goes. I am now going to mix both colors up on a paper plate, and I am going to apply it to the piece now. I will allow the paint to dry in between coats. I will probably be doing 5 to 6 coats of this paint. Once the paint is fully dry and there's no more blue showing through, I will give it a vintage effect using a few techniques. The first one is dusting it with baby powder. The baby powder helps mattify the paint. The second technique is wet baking soda, and that one gives it like a little calcium buildup, like when it's been sitting out in the rain for a while. And then once the wet baking soda is a little bit dry, I'll go with another dusting of baby powder, and that should be about it. So I am looking at this other terracotta pot that I have over here. I'm just using it as an example to kind of compare the colors and the effect that it has. So I'm going to share a picture of the inspiration behind this piece. So here's a little before, and this is the after. I have to say that I am very happy with how it turned out. I absolutely love it.